All right, friends, today in math, you're going to be changing a mixed number into an improper fraction. So exactly the opposite of what we did yesterday. My example today is going to be 3 1/4. To change that into an improper fraction, I have to make 3 wholes out of 4s. So one whole would be 4/4, plus another whole would be 4/4, plus my third whole, 4/4, plus my remaining 1/4. If I add them all together, I know when I add fractions with like denominators that I have to keep my denominator. So now I'm adding 4 plus 4, which is 8, plus 4 more, which is 12, plus 1 more, which is 13. And 13/4 is my answer. Let's practice with another one. Let's do 5 2/5. So I have to do 5 wholes out of fifths. Well, here's 1 whole. Here's 2 wholes. 3 wholes. 4 wholes. And 5 wholes. Plus my 2/5 that were still there. Now I'm ready to add 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. And that's how you change a mixed number into an improper fraction.